All right, out here in Burbank today, 90-degree weather. Got a call for a beehive in the shed. Here's what I cut out. They're actually pretty calm. Didn't spot the queen bee. Here's the other half of the honeycomb. Customer called, said they're coming out their shed, so I came out, did an inspection. Found the entryway. This is the shed right here. Entryway was right here. As you can see, the bees are coming in and out. And then I was like, I gotta go through the floor, you know, if you want me to remove this honeycomb successfully. Because the pheromones, if you do not remove the honeycomb, they will come back. I use no chemicals, no poison. All I do is get rid of the honeycomb, turn these bees into the swarm, and they will leave. But yeah, how I determined how big the honeycomb was, kind of dotted it up. I got this. This is how I locate beehives, how big they are, and give the proper quote. But look at my hands out here. I mean, they're not even attacking me. This is gonna be some good honey though. Call me the bear that stole the honey. Yep. It's nice. I almost want to get covered in them. Seems so calm. One more shot inside here. All the honeycomb is gone. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the wood. Call it a day. Job successfully done.